party done at 8 o'clock. I want it in here at 8:02. Not 8:03, not 8:04, 8:02. But who for care for go drive go prom? You're bright and out of order. You think more I go mash up my brand new nice car? So how you go buy flowers for give woman to put on them and you never even buy me a flowers that to put in a vase? You try remember say prom night I for go and have fun. Not go and have sex and I put them out on anybody. Alright, remember that. And you don't make nobody put them out on you either. So it's what time John picking you up for the prom? What you mean you not go with John again? No. I have to meet this person. You bring John to me last month and tell me say I'm going to prom with you. And now you tell me say somebody else. You're not going. Take off your clothes because I don't know who you're going with. Take off your clothes and go upstairs. Me want to meet every girl and boy within that limo. I want to meet all of them and I'm going to search them back too. Because no weed smoking or liquor drinking nah go on tonight. May I tell you right now. I'm just going to tell you right now. If you have any condom in your bag, take them out and bring them back which part them come from. Because I'm going to search it. And if I search it and find it, I'm going to mash you up today. May I tell you right now. Okay? Because prom night is not for sex. So, it's a breast and body revealing contest here I go. Take off that dress, they too revealing. They done talk to you and tell you everything already, you know. So you see when you go there, if anything happen and you cause it, now call me. You call your dirty pooper, your granny, or you thinking auntie up a me pen when you chat to me.